Let me ask you something. Why you are still afraid of speaking English? Is it because you think your grammar is not perfect? Is it because you feel your vocabulary is too weak? Or is it because deep inside you believe you are not good enough? You know what the truth is? The biggest problem is not your English. The biggest problem is your mindset. The story you repeat in your mind again and again, I can't speak, I will make mistakes, people will judge me, I'm not fluent like others. And slowly, without realizing, you start believing all of it. But today, I want to break that belief. I want to tell you something very honestly. You are not as wrong as you think. Yes, you make mistakes, you hesitate, sometimes you forget words, sometimes you get stuck, but that does not mean you cannot speak English. It simply means you are in the process of learning. Let me remind you of something powerful. When you were a child, did you speak your native language perfectly? No. You made mistakes, you spoke wrong sentences, you repeated words, you got corrected. But did you stop speaking? No. You kept trying. And that is exactly how you became fluent. So, why now are you expecting perfection from yourself? Why do you want to speak perfect English before even speaking regularly? Fluency does not come from thinking, fluency comes from speaking. The more you speak, the more you improve. The more mistakes you make, the faster you grow. But if you stay silent, if you keep waiting for the perfect time, that perfect time will never come. Let me tell you something most people don't understand. Confidence is not the starting point. Confidence is the result. Action comes first. When you speak again and again, when you face your fear again and again, when you try, fail, and try again, that is when confidence is built. So don't wait to feel confident. Speak and confidence will follow you. Speak even if your voice shakes. Speak even if your sentences are broken. Speak even if you feel nervous. Because every time you speak, you are breaking one layer of fear. Every time you speak, you are becoming a better version of yourself. Imagine this. Right now, you are scared of speaking English. You avoid conversations. You think too much before speaking. You stay silent even when you know something. But if you start today, if you start speaking just a little every day, even for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, after 30 days, you will see a change. After 60 days, you will feel more confident. After 90 days, people will notice your improvement. And one day, you will speak without fear. You will express your thoughts clearly. You will communicate confidently. And you will smile thinking, why was I so afraid before? Because the truth is, the fear was never real. It was created by your own mind. And the moment you decide to act, that fear starts disappearing. So stop overthinking, stop judging yourself, stop comparing yourself with others. Everyone has their own journey. Focus on your progress. Focus on your practice. Focus on becoming better than you were yesterday. You don't need perfect English. You need courage. You don't need big vocabulary. You need consistency. You don't need to impress people. You need to express yourself. Remember, fluency is not about speaking fast. Fluency is about speaking without fear. And that you can achieve. So from today, make a simple promise to yourself. I will speak no matter what. Even if I make mistakes, even if I feel nervous, I will not stay silent anymore. Because your growth is on the other side of your fear. And one day, the same English that once scared you will become your strength. The same words you struggled to speak will flow naturally. and you who once doubted yourself will inspire others. You're much better than you believe. Just give yourself a chance. If this message connected with you, like this video, subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts in the comments below. I'll meet you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Keep practicing, keep learning and enjoy the process of learning.